Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Bumble. To get started, open Bumble app on your device. Once you open the app, you will see somewhat like this. Now click on the profile icon, which is located at the button below left corner. Now it takes you to your profile over here. As you can see, now I can click on my photo over here. Now it's gonna take me to my profile. I'm gonna click on edit profile. I'm gonna show it to you clearly that you cannot see any button over here which says change name, or you cannot click on anything to change your name, whichever name you have to set when you created your Bumble profile. The only way to change this name is to delete your Bumble account and to create another Bumble account. This is the only working method. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.